Patriot Forge is the largest full-service custom open die forging company in Canada, supplying open die forgings and seamless rolled ring components. We are a leader in the global market, working to our clients' demanding specifications, producing high-quality parts for mining, oil, gas, nuclear, aerospace, and defense customers. From our 2 locations in Brantford and Paris, Ontario, our 250-plus employees produce forged and machined bars, shafts, flats, step shafts, sleeves, forged discs, and rings. We pride ourselves on staying at the forefront of technology in order to best serve our clients by continually upgrading and expanding. We have a well-earned reputation for quality products in North America and overseas, and have been a strategic partner of many large manufacturers for more than 40 years. Our engineering group employs new technological tools and experience to enhance productivity and reduce manufacturing costs. We offer a wide variety of steel and alloy grades to meet our clients' diverse material requirements. Our main focus is on providing great customer service, and our extensive metallurgy and forging expertise allows us to provide exceptional support to our clients across the globe. We have more than 50 individual client approvals, including the American Bureau of Shipping, PED, and Nuclear Industries Assessment Committee. We are accredited with the ISO 9001 and AS 9100 quality management systems. Patriot Forge has advanced in-house, non-destructive testing facilities, and we engage third-party material testing labs to ensure the strength, toughness, and the structural soundness required for your critical service applications. Through long-term partnerships with global leaders in gas compression, power generation, fossil fuels, and nuclear power, Patriot Forge is our clients' preferred choice for high-quality open die forgings and rolled rings.